सियावर रामचंद्र की जय। जय देव दत्तावधूता ओ साई अवधूता, जोड़नी तब चरणी थे भी तो माथा। जय देव गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देव महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। अखंडमंडलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। It will be better if I talk from this turning point. So, I came to Ravenshaw College, but then times it was Ravenshaw College, the premier institution of Odisha, the century-old institution in Odisha. So, I came to Ravenshaw College in the year 1972. I got a first class from Baluga High School where I was studying. By that time it was, matriculation was 11th class, and after getting a first class, the intimation went to me from Ravenshaw, the only college I applied for, and I came to Ravenshaw in the year 1972. When I entered Ravenshaw, there was PU, PP, etc., pre-professional, pre-university, etc., that provision, but it became IA and BA. It became the same old wine in new bottle. So, however, I was interested for arts, and I came to Ravenshaw to read arts. And I became a hosteler in the new hostel, where also I studied for 7 years. So I read intermediate arts, BA, English Honours, and MA as well in English. By that time, it took 7 years. Why I say that? MA was also 2 years, but in the due course of time, the exam was shifted, the exam was postponed. So that is why it took almost another year or so to complete MA. So there was a classical phase then and there. It was post 6th year, it was 7th year, though it was titled like that. So in order to make myself a postgraduate in English, it took almost 7 years. I came to Ravenshaw in 1972 and went in the 1979. So Ravenshaw in my times was the premier institution, and now also existing like that. Now Ravenshaw has become a university. The age-old institution has become a university. Ravenshaw is 100 years old. Ravenshaw is more than 100 years old, and it is 100 acres. It is 100 acres. It is 100 acres on which the college is established. And within the college, there are some hostels also. And in my time, Mahendra Kumar Raut was the principal. For my 7 years staying there in Ravenshaw, he was the principal. He was DSC, his faculty was chemistry. So he was all the time a very lovable man, and I think he was the last principal in Ravenshaw. So he was he liked Congress, and I was getting so many prizes from different colleges, in writing, in my debate. So he observed that this boy is getting all the awards that those are given in debate, essay, writing, etc., etc. So I was quite close to the principal, and the principal he was. It's a tradition that who will be the principal in Revens College will be DPI, the Director of Public Instructions. So, but in his case, it became different because the Congress government made him DPI, and when the Janta government came after emergency, he was reduced. I mean, he was banished from that place because he garlanded Sanjay Gandhi before in front of the college gate. So, however, we do not want to enter into politics, but in my times, it was studying in Ravenshaw. There was a very congenial atmosphere, and there was also a competitive line for that. All because that was the premier institution showing good results, all the good students from throughout Odisha or nearby, they used to come to Ravenshaw College for study. So almost all the good students, I was studying well. I was also a good student. So all the good students were coming to Ravenshaw and for study, and there was a very congenial atmosphere for study. And as you know, uh, mm, Ravenshaw College, the premier institution of Ravenshaw College, which is now a university, upgraded to a university, and some 60 acres of land given by the government for its extension. Because in Ravenshaw College there are some other faculties who are not there, like political science, PG, or PG in philosophy, PG in history. So naturally, when it became a full-fledged university, some land was necessary, and the government has given almost 60, I think, what I am informed, 60 acres of land more for building and all that. There was also law, not law in Ravenshaw College. As it is a full-fledged university, it has to fulfill the criteria. So, in this age-old premier institution, there are so many teachers, and there are also some quarters of the teachers within the premises, and there was ladies' hostel. Now those are. I was staying in new hostel. There was East hostel and West hostel, but I was staying in a new hostel. There are good friends of mine like Nihar Mahapatra, like Kailas Mahapatra, like Trailokya Mahapatra, Ramaranjan Das. He was not staying in his household was in Cuttack, Ramaranjan Das. So, as I am a Brahmin, and by that time we didn't have that feeling, or at least nobody has the sacred thread. किसका कंधे में ये जनेऊ भी नहीं था, लेकिन I kept it. I all the time kept it. So however, later I thought that whoever we became friends, we are all the Brahmins. Naturally we became friends. They come from respectable family, and they're good students as well, good people also. Now they are also being retiring because we belong to the same age group, and they're good students. But after all, they're good people. And what I have observed, they were all thoroughly well read. They had a very creative mind. I'm talking of Nihar, I'm talking of Trailokya, I'm talking of Kalidas, I'm talking of Rama Ranjan. They're good souls. And we are good friends in the college as well outside. So in the new hostel, we all people were staying, and we had good relationship with each other. And they are good souls also. So in my life, I had from the very early childhood, I thought of being a poet and reading English. Whatever I find in Odia literature, all the great people in Odia literature are from English. I mean, they were in the English department, like Gopinath Mahanti, Manoj Das, Mansingh, Major Mansingh, so and so. not only in Odia literature, but whatever I find in India, all the great people, great writers are also from English faculty. As you know, father of Amitabh Bachchan, he was English professor, writing the classic poetry. So I all the time had my great fascination for reading, writing, and speaking. So, from the early career, I was speaking in All India Radio, and I was a regular talker and a class one talker in All India Radio. Then I have almost given sermons, the religious sermons, in throughout Odisha almost. So it is now, with the grace of the Lord, I became a talker in YouTube, having a channel also. So the days of Ravenshaw were all amusing, and it was all the time we were discussing of philosophy. As you know, I had honors as English as honors, and philosophy as pass. And there was no provision other than that. If two pass subjects could be taken, I could have also taken Sanskrit. So I all the time had a very, from my early childhood, I had a fascination for literature. As you know, Bhartrihari, the great king and the philosopher, the poet says, Sangeeta Sahitya Kala Vihina Sakyat Pashu Kucha Vishanahina. So the man who doesn't have any like for art, culture, literature, music, he is a man other than a beast without tail and horn. So that means the man who doesn't have this sensibility. Literature is a sensibility. Literature, music, art, culture, sculpture, these are the great things of life, and these are the great things to achieve in life. These are given by the Lord. I think these are ordained on man. So those are the potential qualities with a man which grow in time. And I think Lord, with the grace of the Lord, so many great scholars and poets in Odisha, they have proclaimed that with the grace of the deity or the grace of the Lord, I have been able to pursue literature in the field of literature. So this is a marvelous art, writing books, speaking publicly good things in life, and also about the religious faith. This becomes the very tradition of Sanatan or Hindu tradition, so that we'll give some impetus to our children, to our young people. It will be an impetus. You'll give a boost to our culture, our young people, so that they will be good people, at least good souls, and will find good citizens in India. So reading, writing, and speaking, those are the basic qualities of mine. So I have done nothing other than that. So I love reading, and so far as you know, I have read all the Russian classics, good classical novels of Hugo, Franz, Camus, Kafka, Sartre, so many people, Hemingway, the great novels, Anna Karenina, Resurrection. I have the Norwegian writer, Northampton. He is my very favorite writer with Dostoevsky, Crime and Punishment and Brothers Karamazov. So I all the time I enjoy book, and all the time the book has supplied me strength and life to live. Thanking you all. Thank you.